That is a password from our end to connect you with our secure server.
Oh, so you can get into my computer whenever you want? Is that it?
No. Thank you for calling technical support. You're speaking with Max. How may I assist you today?
Hi there, Max. I have an issue with my computer machine.
Sorry to hear that, sir. We will definitely help you out. Will you please let me know what issue you are facing right now?
Yes, I got this weird alert on my screen. I never had this before. It's saying suspicious activity identified on your IP address because of an unverified download
Mm-hmm.
on your PC.
Mm-hmm. And may I know, what exactly you were doing on the computer, sir? What was your last activity?
I was watching some porn trying to masturbate a little bit.
And while doing so, do you remember clicking on any unknown link or maybe any kind of advertisement today?
Yeah, there was this thing about a rich girl being in my area and she wants to meet me. I
Mhm.
clicked on it.
And I believe, sir, this is your personal computer, right? Apart
Yeah,
from you, nobody uses it?
that's correct. Yeah.
And what's the make and model of your computer?
It's some kind of Dell.
Sorry?
It's some kind of Dell.
I'm not getting you. Did you say Dell?
Yes, it's some kind of Dell. I'm not sure what one it is though. Some kind of Dell. It's a Dell machine. I don't know exactly what
So,
model, whatever.
all right. So, do not worry, sir. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you some simple troubleshooting steps to help you unblock the computer. Okay?
Oh,
First, I will go ahead and connect the computer. Sorry?
but I am worried. I'm very, very worried about
Uh, you need to worry, sir. We are here to help you out. So first I will connect your computer with our secure server so that I can go ahead and run a quick scan on your network. Once the scan is completed, we will get to know what exactly you are facing right now and we will fix it all together, sir. Okay, let's do it.
Okay. Yeah.
And may I know your name, sir? What's your name?
Gary Goat Poker.
Sorry, did you say J?
Gary Goat Poker.
Gary.
Yes, Gary.
So if I have your permission, sir, can I call you by Gary? Will that be fine?
Yes, that's fine. That's fine. That's more than fine.
All right.
Yes.
So, Gary, have a look on your keyboard first. At the very extreme bottom left-hand corner of the keyboard, do you
Yes.
see a control key there? CTRL.
Yes, I see that. Yes.
And right next to that, which key is there, Gary?
Four little boxes. Oh no, it's a flag, I think.
All right. So you need to press that four-letter box. Press it and hold it. And while holding it down, you need to press the letter R as in Roger, Windows and letter R. And let me know, Gary, if you see any changes on the screen after that.
Yes, I do see changes indeed. Little box opened up. Run.
And is the box empty or do you see something inside that open panel?
It says typed. Huh? Oh yeah, it's empty. You mean the white bar? Yes, it's empty.
So you need to type in there something, Gary. I'm
Hang
gonna
on.
spell the phonetics for you.
Hang
So
on though.
make sure you don't make a.
What company
Sorry.
is it actually I'm talking with? I'm curious.
See, you are talking to Smart Help 24/7, and we do provide support and services, Gary, for all kind of Windows products and peripherals independently. Okay,
Smart Help 24/7.
and Smart Help 24/7, correct.
And what is your website? I'm just curious. You guys have a website?
Right, we have a website. We do
Yeah.
deals in all kind of products. I
Tell
will
me.
show it on your screen as well. Okay,
Fair enough. Yeah.
so you need to type in that box, Gary.
Yes.
All should be in lowercase. Okay,
Yes.
so type in there I explore all together as in one word,
I
like
explode.
I as in Indiana.
Are
I
you
explore,
serious?
like I as
Oh,
in it,
oh! I thought you said
it
I explode.
it's
I thought you were a terrorist. Okay. Yes, I have it.
it's
Yes.
I as in Indiana,
Yeah.
E
Yeah.
as in England,
Yes.
X as in X-ray,
I
P as
got
in
it.
Pennsylvania,
Yes. Yes. I explore. Now I get it.
Plore.
Yeah. Yeah.
After
Good.
I explore, you need to give a space, little
Oh,
space,
the space. Yes, I put a space.
and then type www three times W as in
Yeah.
Washington.
Mm-hmm.
Now give a dot like a period, www dot,
Yes.
and then type any disk like A as in Alpha, N as in New York, Y as in Yankee, D as in David, E as in England, S as in Sam, and
Yes.
K as in Kevin. It's ANYDESK, any disk, right?
Yes. Right.
Now, after any disk, again, you need to give a dot, like a period, any disk dot,
Yes.
com, like C as in Charlie, O as in Ohio, and M as in Master. It's anydesk.com, correct?
Correct.
Now, at the bottom of that box, Gary, you will be getting three options: OK, cancel, and browse. Do you see that?
Yes.
So you need to press OK. Click on OK, and let me know what do you see on the screen after that.
Remote desktop software. Anywhere, anytime, any desk. Connect
Uh,
to a
Correct. At the
computer.
same, at the very bottom of that page, you will be getting a green color box which says download now. Do you see that?
Yes. You
Click
want
on that
to download it?
download now.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes.
Now, once you click on that download now,
Yes.
you'll be seeing an AnyDesk page on the screen. Do you see that?
Yes.
Now, at the very bottom, do you see run, save, or cancel? Three options. Do
Yep.
you see that?
Yes, I do.
So you need to click on run. Hit on run,
Okay. Notice like
and once you hit on,
yes. Tell me.
so do you see the nine-digit number at the very top left of the
Yes.
screen? Below
I
this desk, you will be seeing a nine-digit number, right?
yep.
So help me with the numbers, Gary.
704
Hmm.
218.
Getting the numbers for you, Gary. Make sure it's correct, okay?
Yes.
It's 704
Yes.
218. Correct?
Correct.
So have a look on the screen, Gary. You will be receiving a request from our end from the network security department. You will get a security disclaimer box. I'm aware of the risk. You need to check mark that box first and click on accept. Okay?
Yes.
Have a look on the screen. Do you see
Yeah.
the request? You need to check mark that security disclaimer box and then click on accept. Okay?
Okay. U.S. network
See a
security and
green color box. Correct. You need to check mark that box and click on accept.
yes. Where? I'm a bit confused. Where do I see it?
Do you see a green color option which says accept?
Yes. 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 Yes.
You need
Yes.
to,
I
yeah,
see it.
click on that. Click
Yeah,
on that.
I see it. It's saying waiting.
Oh, I guess you
Waiting for,
rejected the request.
it's saying waiting for partner.
Have a look on the screen.
It's saying waiting for partner.
Waiting for partner?
Yes.
Which partner you're talking about, Gary?
I'm not sure. I'm just reading the screen.
It seems
Okay.
you are very lonely.
Sorry. What do I
It
do next?
seems you are very lonely.
What?
Click on here, Gary. Do you see that?
Okay. I'll click on that.
Now, what basically you use this computer?
I play Pac-Man and I do online shopping mostly. And I read the newspaper. What is that?
So have a look on the screen. You need to type in there something like Sunday 123 all in lowercase, Gary. Okay?
Sunday 123.
Sunday 123, and
Oh,
make sure both the passwords are correct.
yes. And what do I do next?
Click on the green color box
Why did you say I'm lonely? I don't get you.
because you said you're waiting for a partner. That is why I guess
Oh, I get the
you
joke now.
seem so lonely.
You're so funny. That's a good one, sir. Now, can I tell you a joke?
I said you to type in Sunday 123. What did you
Yeah,
type in there, Gary?
I put Sunday 123. What is that for anyway?
No, I guess not.
What is that doing anyway? What is that doing?
That is a password from our end to connect you with our secure server.
Oh, so you can get into my computer whenever you want? Is that it?
No, not whenever I want. I will
Oh,
be disconnecting it from my end because,
what
okay,
your name
once
again?
we'll check it and fix it for you. Do not
What's your
worry.
name, Max?
What did you say?
Your name is Max, right?
And correct, Max Miller.
Okay, Max Miller. Is that your real name?
Sorry?
Is that your real name? Because when you connected, it said William or something.
No, said U.S. Network Security Department, not William.
Okay, but it said
Because
in the
we
email.
have plenty of engineers. We have plenty of engineers working with us with the name of William, but I'm not William. I'm Max.
Oh,
Okay.
how many engineers you got?
Like thousands of engineers,
Oh,
Gary.
you're gonna need them all. You're gonna need them, man.
Right, because in this pandemic situation, we are getting a very high call volume. So
Oh,
we need to cope up with our customers in order to
you're
fix
getting a really high
their
call.
problems. Sorry.
You haven't seen anything yet, but what I wanted to tell you, you're gonna need those engineers because
Hmm.
you think it's funny to put a password on my computer. I think it's funny to install a virus on your computer. You fucked my computer, I fucked yours.
Why will I fuck your computer?
No, I fucked yours, you idiot.
So it seems that you don't need any help and you are wasting my
No,
time and
you
your
need
time
help.
as well.
You need help. Your computer is fucked.
So I'm gonna disconnect you from my
Hey,
end,
you
all right,
you you
and
should
hang up the
fix your
call, okay?
computer. You should fix your computer. It's
So bye
not
bye.
looking
Have
good.
a
It's not looking
great
good.
day and don't ever
Fix
call us
your
again,
computer.
okay?
Or else,
Because
when
there
you
are
get to
plenty
fix
of customers who really need help. So
no,
don't waste my
fix
time,
them.
Gary.
You wanna rip them off, you dirty scammer. Good luck using your computer, you fucking idiot.
So we flocked him?
Since infecting his computer with a virus is only that much, let's take down the entire call center as well. Now they're gonna get $10,000 of damage in the next couple minutes.
Oh, I don't know. I think your computer has got crashed.
Thank you for calling technical support. You are speaking with Matt.
Hello?
Am I
Who
audible
is
to you?
this?
Hello? Am I audible to you? Hello?
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 Can you hear me? Hello? Am I audible to you?
I think your phone system has
Am I
got
audible to you?
crashed.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
I think your phone system has got crashed. You need technical support. Hello? 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 I think your phone system has a virus. You need technical support. Time to go home. Your phone system not working.
I can't hear you. I'm a fine here. Yes.
Hello? I don't know, but I think your phone system has a virus. Your phone
No,
system, I don't know, your phone system sucks.
Well,
hey,
for
dude.
God's sakes, who's there? Howdy, howdy.
Hello?
Hello. You hear me?
Hey,
Hello.
hey.
You hear me?
I think there is something.
Sorry, what?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. I I have a problem. Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello.
What the fuck is going
Well,
on?
howdy there. Can y'all hear me?
Hi.
I can hear you. Can you tell me that?
I think your phone system has a virus.
Can you hear me?
I don't know if you can hear me, but your phone system has a virus.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Am I audible, ma'am?
Hello.
Hello?
Are you audible?
Can you hear me?
I'm
Hello?
Audible? I think you can hear me.
Hello? I can hear you, ma'am.
Hello?
I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yes, can you hear me now?
Your phone system has a virus.
How can you hear me now?
The person
Can you hear me?
Well, howdy.
Can you hear me?
If
Hello?
you sniff the poo you get hit for free.
The person
Yes, yes, you do.
Please try again. The person you are calling is unavailable.
Well, for goodness sake, speak up there.
Thank you for
The
calling.
person you are calling is unavailable.
I-
Please try again.
Your phone system has a virus.
Help you today?
The person you are calling is
Your
unavailable.
phone system
Please
has
try
the
again.
virus.
Help you with
You
your
need
computer.
technical
Can
support.
I help you today?
The person you are calling is unavailable. Please try again.
Jerry, Jerry
Hello?
Makichut. Jerry, Jerry Makichut.
Hello.
Quiet, quiet.
Hello?
Hello?
The person you are calling
Well,
is
them
unavailable.
vultures are flying over my car again.
Please try again.
Jerry,
Please try again.
Please check the number and dial again.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and follow me on social media. Don't forget to check out DVR's channel. The link is in the video description. Check out these 2 videos if you want to see more scammers get destroyed. Thank you for watching and have a good day.